How to reset Fifth Third Bank online banking password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your Fifth Third Bank online banking password. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Let's begin. So first thing that you'll need to do for you to be able to reset the password is head over to the login page. So you can simply search for Fifth Third Bank or the online banking login or anything up to you. Then head over to this login page for it. So after you're on the online banking login for Fifth Third, what you'll need to do is enter out your user ID. Then under password, if you forgot your password, tap on this forgot login button, right available. Then it should prompt you to this page. So here you will need to fill in your user information. So just type in your last name, your social security number, your zip code, and then your account or card number. Follow along and follow the prompts here. You can just keep on following the prompts until you reach a place where you can simply reset. They will give you the option to do so, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.